Everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to a local kind of secondhand store, kind of a thrift store, but this guy has a ton of stuff, and I'll show you some video of the warehouse. All right. So this is the warehouse we're headed into. It's about a maybe 10,000 plus square feet of just wall-to-wall stuff. So if you just watch, I'm going to give you kind of a view. He's got tons of office chairs galore. He gets them from the local base. Anytime they do an upgrade for office furniture, he's able to buy truckloads. He has the contract to be able to buy from them, and so I get the bonus of being able to pick through the stuff. He's a super nice guy. He's willing to work with me, and as you can see, just aisles and aisles of random miscellaneous things. Sometimes people look at this and go, that stuff is way too big, but believe me, I still find smalls. I will tell you at the end of this video what I ended up taking away and how much I think I can sell the items for. I did find some really good gems when I hunted this place, but as you can see, just stuff everywhere. You kind of just pick and dig, and it's really, really fun, and he just lets you wander through his warehouse, and then you pretty much just talk to him. There's some old projectors, remember back in the day, some regular projectors when you were in school and they used those dry erase markers to teach. Lots of filing cabinets, office supplies, laptop bags, just a variety of different things. Some 3-ring binders. So when I get ready to build my new warehouse, I'm definitely coming here to find the storage supplies that I need. Lots of bins. Everything is in good, clean condition. I'll show you kind of inside the drawers. Nothing is gross and disgusting. It's all pretty clean, and you know, other than a little dust, you're going to find some really, really nice stuff here. And he prices things according to the condition they're in. So if you see something that's kind of dinged up or has some scuff marks, he usually has it priced lower than something that doesn't. So really, really fun finds to kind of hunt through here. So I'm getting ready to show you some of the things that I bought. As you can see, I can still find smalls. In this picture, there's some light bulbs, and there's various other pictures I'm going to show you of different things that you can find. A lot of it is got high sales rank because you can't find it anymore, but it sells for great money. So I'm going to give you a rundown of what I found and how much I think I can make on each item. Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. This is my follow-up for the, basically it's like a local wholesaler that I go to, and so I wanted to show you a little bit of what I got, okay? Here we have a CP electronic time recorder. Basically it's a punch clock for time clock. I paid 30 bucks for it. And I pretty much just shot him the price. He said he didn't even know he had it, so that always helps. But I think I will not be able to send this into the warehouse because it's considered hazmat. Must have something inside of it that is blocked out. But I will be able to merch fulfill it, and it's going for around $900 online. It's got a high sales rank, but I'm guessing because it's a little bit older and there are not very many around. Here's another thing that I got. This is a guy that usually buys on contract for some of the local bases. This is a USB drive dock V5. So it may be a little bit older, but the thing that I really liked about it is if you can see, this is completely sealed. So it's never been opened. It's brand new. I paid 20 bucks for it, and I just shot him the price, and he was good with that. He's a really, really nice guy. Just has a humongous 4,000 square foot warehouse. Just too much stuff to keep track of. But anyway, I think I can make $175 on this. These were a little bit of a gamble. These are headlights, and they're different ones, so they're not all the same. But basically, they're selling for around $25, but Amazon is selling them, so I'm going to severely undercut to hopefully get the buy box. Maybe about 15 bucks is what I'll sell them for, but I bought them for $2 a piece. And so anytime I buy something that Amazon is selling, I don't want to put a whole lot of risk into it. So that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 bucks I spent on these headlights, and I think there's 2 different models in here. So some of these ones that have been taped back together I'll sell as used, the rest of them I'll sell brand new. But that's my haul that I got from the local wholesaler that he gets surplus and has the contract for getting truckloads of stuff from the local area military base that we have. Okay, thanks! I hope you learned something on my pick from the local mom and pop surplus wholesale liquidation store, and I hope you learned a lot from my tour through the warehouse, and it was really, really fun hunting. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.